Welcome to the topic Creating Curriculum Vitae CV using MS Word. By the end of this module, you will be able to use Word to create a visually appealing and well structured digital CV. Identify the key components of a strong digital CV. Know the advantages of a digital CV over traditional paper formats. A digital CV can be important for a number of reasons. It also has many advantages over a traditional paper CV, including accessibility and reach. Global accessibility. You can access and share your CV from anywhere in the world, at any time, ensuring you are always ready for opportunities. Easy distribution. You can share your CV effortlessly through email, job portals, or even social media platforms, making it convenient to connect with potential employers. Professional and modern presentation. Use a sleek, modern format that highlights your tech savviness. You can incorporate interactive elements like videos and links to showcase your portfolio and skills effectively. Customization. You can tailor your CV effortlessly to suit different job applications, ensuring it aligns with the specific role and industry requirements. Real-time updates through instant edits enables quick update with new experiences or skills. Version control. It also helps you to maintain multiple versions for different job roles. Enhanced visibility through search engine optimization. This improves your chances of being found by recruiters. Trackable metrics allows you to see who viewed or downloaded your CV. Improves environmental sustainability as it's paperless. It reduces waste and promotes sustainability by eliminating the need for printed CVs. Creating a CV on Microsoft Word can have several benefits, including Microsoft Word is an excellent tool for creating CVs because it's user-friendly, has a wide range of customizable templates, and provides professional formatting options. Open Word, type in your information, select a template by searching CV or resume in the new document box, and build an eye-catching, neatly organized CV. Tailor layouts, colors, and fonts to your own personal style. Using the Insert tab, add or remove parts as necessary. Lastly, proofread the document for mistakes and save it in PDF and Docs formats for easier sharing. Employers will find your CV polished and professional thanks to this technique. A strong digital CV should include key components such as personal information, concise introduction and professional summary, detailed descriptions of work experience, education and academic background, skills section with relevant skills, and additional sections. Personal information. Include contact information like name, email, phone number, LinkedIn profile, and portfolio links. Make sure your contact information is up to date and professional. Professional summary. In this section, provide a brief overview of your career goals and key strengths. Tailor this section to match the job you are applying for. Work experience. Provide detailed descriptions of your work experience, including your job title, company name, dates of employment, and key achievements. Use action verbs and quantify your achievements when possible. Education. List your degrees, institutions, and graduation in the education and academic background section. Include relevant coursework, honors, and extracurricular activities. Skills section. List both your hard and soft skills that are relevant to the job. Highlight technical skills, certifications, and language proficiencies. Additional sections. This should include optional components like certifications, volunteer experience, and publications. Only add sections that strengthen your application. Here are the steps you could follow to create a CV in Microsoft Word. Navigate to MS Word Home, then click on More Templates. To search for CV templates, Type CV or resume in the search box and press enter. CV templates appear on the screen. Scroll through and find the format that suits you best. For example, let's choose this option. Click to select it. The sample template opens on screen. Click Create to start the process of making your CV. Choose your desired font style, size and color. Try to maintain uniformity throughout. Click on the name to edit it. Enter your name. Tap on the text box to type your location, contact number and email ID. Under Objective heading, write an objective according to your job. Select the text in the text box. You can delete it and then enter your objective. Next, enter your education details. Next, fill in the work experience and skills that you have. Mention all the skill set you have and align with the job role. Your CV is ready. In case you wish to add more headings, you can do more rows and fill the information. To save your CV, you can do a Ctrl+S or click File and then click Save. To save your file in PDF format, you can select PDF as the option from Save as Type drop-down and click Save. Provide an appropriate name to your file. Click Save. Thank you.